here with Narendra from Curry Station. So tell us, what are you making today?
Well, today we are making the basil chicken curry. Here we have the basil we got from the Sweetgrass farm. It's very fresh. You can smell it.
It's wonderful.
And we marinate the chopped basil and the ginger garlic paste and some few spices. We have turmeric, coriander, and garam masala.
All right, let's put the chicken in and get it cooking.
Can I start chopping
we
this?
have some whole spices. We're gonna put in
Spices
here.
first. What is that?
That's like a bay leaf and cardamom. Yes, please.
Okay.
All right.
Watch your
We're gonna add
fingers.
some
I
chicken
know.
in here.
I'm channeling John Scalzi.
Look at that.
I love the sound of the
too.
sizzle.
It's so aromatic.
Yeah.
I think this is the stuff you're chopping over here.
Please
It
keep it
smells so
stirred
good.
on that one. Yes.
Chef Beth is back.
there you go.
Then we're gonna add some more
I thought it's
garlic and ginger a little bit. And here we have like a sauteed onion and tomatoes in advance. You can do the same time, but saving the time, you can do ahead. You can add that.
And you're definitely not scared of spices in Indian cuisine.
No, but if you want like a less spices, you always control that. So it's not hot. This
Well,
is
Beth
the-
loves spices,
yes.
so she's
So
bring 'em
let's
on.
go for the
Go for
garam
the hot
masalas,
version, okay?
some coriander powder,
Wow.
some turmeric, it's amazing, you know,
Good for
Yeah.
your health.
and a little bit chili powder.
Wow.
And we have some cumin powders. And
wow.
we have the coconut milk here. We're gonna add the coconut milk here. So this is like a boneless chicken, but if you like the whole chicken, I personally, I do like with the bone. So which one is ready over there, you can see. So it will more delicious.
So this actually doesn't take that long. Once you have your spices.
Yes, it doesn't take that long. You can cook at home very easily. And now we're gonna add some more basil in here.
And is that the way to chop it real fine like that, or
No,
does
it doesn't matter.
It
Doesn't matter. You
Okay.
can chop, or you can just put the leaves, or you can make the paste. It depends on you. No restriction.
Okay.
All right, so while this cooks up and gets ready, I want to go in on the one that's
And
already
if you want to
there.
do some lemon zest.
Oh,
if you wanna
I'm
put-
sorry.
He doesn't want you to taste, he wants you to work.
Please, I gotta work.
I know, right?
A little zest to brighten the
doing
flavor.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Just keep going all over.
Okay.
Yes, very nice. It smells already good.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, and that'll saute up and you will be good to go. While Beth finishes that up, I want to remind everybody that you can try all these wonderful Indian dishes at Curry Station. So fresh. I have to tell you, the naan over here that I'm picking at is wonderful. So just a wonderful array of tasty dishes. But Beth, I know you're dying to give it a try.
Chef told me I have to cook.
There's a finished product there. Well, I'll admit I had a
Now
bite
you
and
can
it
eat
is
as well.
wonderful.
No problem.
So we will do some sampling here. Thank you for coming
this is
in
good.
and teaching us not to
try
be
it.
afraid of the spices, the wonderful colors and the flavors that they add.
Wow.
Linda Larson, thanks for joining us. Yep, the eating has begun. Bring your friend Lynn Rose back in here.
I have to have some.
Oh, you absolutely can. Chef Narendra always brings enough for everybody.
Maybe you can bring the whole.
Exactly.
You can
Enjoy
do
the rest of your day.
Yeah.
Be sure to take some time and enjoy the Suncoast view.
Here you go.
Either way.
Well, this is really good.